Welcome back to my channel, y'all. I am Christina Davis, doing what I do. I think it, plan it, and design it. I'm here today showing y'all how I'm putting this Beyonce theme hat together for the concert. I'm making 3 of them, one for me and one for my 2 daughters. I thought about it. I'm like, we're going to the concert, we're going to have a good time, and we don't have no hats. And that was whole part of her album theme. So I am creating them today with you guys. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. I got my glue, my B700. I will link everything below of where I got everything from. So if you decide to get it yourself, you can go ahead and just purchase that. Anybody who knows me know I love things that sparkle, and these were fabulous. These go around the edge of the hats on the top, and they're pretty, I wouldn't say easy to put on, but you definitely want to manage how it's going around the hat. And they are already adhesive, so you want to make sure that you just put a little extra. 1, so it doesn't peel off, and 2, so you have it for a very long time. So I went ahead and added extra glue on it that's safe for fabric and to make sure that it stays in place. I did cut it in sections, so that way I can be more flexible with how it goes around the hat, because there is a curve with the hat. But other than that, be patient with yourself with putting these things on. But it comes out so pretty, so I love it. That part is all complete now. I'm going to go ahead and add my jewels to the edges as I sip a glass of wine. It's nothing like getting through a project with a glass of wine. Want to just point out something here. I am using a wire cutter. Wire cutters help me to manage how things are positioned without feeling like I'm using my fingers, or it makes it a little more difficult, but it's so easy when you use a wire cutter. And I also use a wire cutter to cut the jewels. So it's if you have one, use it. If you don't, find that link below and go get yourself one. I also like to align the jewels on the already stitched part. That helps you keep your jewelry in line going around. These rhinestones at the beginning of them, it's a little bit thin, so you want to make sure that you align them properly and that you put enough glue and give it time to adhere. So you want to leave it for a couple of hours. I would say the minimum will be about 2 hours. So this video was done in not 2 days, probably like 1.5 days. I let that sit, I let it dry, and yeah. And then it comes out so pretty, and you can mess around. The stones like to stick together, so you just move them around a little bit. But I'm not finished with them. I am just putting them together, and I have 2 more hats to get through. So stick with me, y'all. my youngest daughter decided to join me. She decided that she wanted to be my little helper. She saw that I took out the pink hat, y'all, and you know it's for her. I wish it was for me because it's my favorite color, but her favorite color is pink too. She decided to help me, and yeah, we're just having a good time. So here we go. Remember, guys, to make your hats sit for at least 2.5 hours. I keep saying that way your jewelry can stick very well and will not move or budge or come off. You want to be able to enjoy your hat for a long time. This one that I'm working on now was a little bit of a surprise because my daughter wanted the disco style to the hat. Beyonce's hat was full of that disco mirroring ball, so she kind of wanted to do that. So I got creative with it and designed something that I thought that she was really gonna like. And I cut it in sections because, again, the hat has a curve. You want to make sure that every part of the jewel is stuck onto the hat. And make sure it sticks properly. So yeah, and also make sure that you pinch down as you're going around and you gluing these things. Just put a little pressure around it, not too much, but you just want to make sure that it's nice and flat on there. The hats are so curvy. Yeah, that's a cowgirl hat for you. But it is curvy, so make sure you just apply some pressure and just make sure that you stick it down properly. After I finished jeweling, I got a little surprise. We're gonna sparkle these things up. When you're sparkling the hats up, I did it in my garage. You want to make sure that you put something down because the glitter does fly everywhere. But as long as you have some type of protection, you will be just fine. But the end result of this, it looks great. I patted it down a little bit just to make sure that it's sticking properly, and it was. And use a microfiber cloth with that because the hat is kind of that material as well. You don't want to use a paper towel or anything because it will rub. If you get extra glue on your glitter, on your jewels, on the rhinestone part of the hat, all you have to do is just use alcohol and kind of wipe that thing down, and it breaks down the glue and it removes it, so you don't have to worry about it not shining. If you liked my video, y'all, please do not forget to subscribe and also follow me on Instagram, Christina Made to Design, for my next ideas. I always post new creative ideas that I'll be bringing to YouTube and creating. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.